The Young and the Restless spoilers find that the show kind of popped the clutch while jumping the shark on the Adam Newman angle with the bomb. Had they followed through with the bomb idea, it would have sent Adam down a road he couldn't come back from, though many have on daytime television, so there's that. It would have put the entire Newman family in danger and possibly given the writers an excuse to dive into some of the darker aspects the show used before they became complacent. But they didn't, and now we're going to see a whole lot of Adam and Victor Newman going back and forth like we have for months and months. The Young and the Restless spoilers for November 24th. Victor's fatherly love. There's no doubt that Victor loves his children. That point can't be argued. What can be argued is how well he loves them. He's given them everything he possibly can while nudging them along the life path he thought they should follow. Along the way, he's made mistakes as any father or parent would, and now he's compounding it. In short, Victor is intent on helping the son he's screwed up by screwing him up even more. Good job, Victor. He's going to try to convince Adam he has his best interest at heart, and the Young and the Restless thinks he'll just push Adam further away. Sally's on the prowl. On the flip side, Sally Spectra is looking to make a name for herself in Genoa City by playing both sides against each other. It's not a bad idea, especially when she doesn't think Theo Vanderway is capable of doing what he claims he will. It's a safe bet to side with the Abbotts, Jack Abbott in particular. The Young and the Restless think she's learned from the mess she left in Los Angeles and will continue to hedge her bets more than not. Her future in Genoa City is bright as she can continue staying clear of her self-imposed drama. It's gonna be tough since that self-imposed drama is her bread and butter. What do you think Sally will do next? Abby arrives at the society, where Maria and Devin talk about him being ordained. Abby's thrilled, everything's coming together. Maria fills them in on her new job at Javits. Abby warns the Abbotts in the boardroom can get pretty intense. Maria is excited to make money again after her stint as a stay-at-home girlfriend. Talk turns back to the wedding. Abby goes over almost losing chance and says you have no idea what it's like before realizing Devin does. She apologizes. Devin lightens the mood and Abby reveals they want to have 3 kids. Later, Victor sits at the bar alone nursing a drink.